Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is playing for pride. Zimbabwe, what a nation, what a fans. Miss Universe Zimbabwe is here. Sam and Tom Curran's mom is here supporting her third child, Ben Curran, and she's waving a Zimbabwe flag, not giving an F about that both of his sons are playing for England, and Zimbabwe is putting on a fight. On the first day, Zimbabwe had conceded 498 runs. After that, any team will be demoralized. They will not be able to fight. But here comes Zimbabwe the next morning. They pick the wicket of Root. They pick the wicket of Stokes. They pick the wicket of Ollie Pope. They bowled brilliantly with the new ball. 16 overs, they picked 4 wickets. Even without Richard Ngarawa not taking the field because he got an issue. He didn't come out to bat also, which forced Zimbabwe to end their innings at 265 for 9. And after that, they were asked to follow on, and they were 7 for 2. But Sean Williams has played an epic counter attack innings, and he has absolutely bulldozed the English attack. And unfortunately, Kumar Dharmasena, I think he's an ISI agent or something. He has given both. First, he gave Ben Curran out, and review showed that it was clearly missing the stumps. Then he has given Sean Williams out now, and that was just umpire's call. And very disappointed, but still 111 runs in the session and just 1 wicket lost. 122 runs is the partnership between Sean Williams and Ben Curran, and out of that 88 runs were scored by Sean Williams. Since 2020, all the batters who are averaging the highest, Sean Williams is on the top of the tree. He's averaging 67. Not Virat Kohli, not Joe Root, not Kane Williamson, not Steve Smith. It's Sean Williams. Yes, the catch is you will say that only 19 innings played, but whatever it may be, and whatever limited opportunities Sean Williams is getting, he's making the most of it. What a counter-attacking knock by Sean Williams, and he's averaging 67 in the last 5 years in 19 innings. The next on the list is Kane Williamson, Kamindu Mendes, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Joe Root. So Joe Root is 5th, and you have Kamindu, Mendes and others in that list, and Yashasvi Jaiswal is the only one from India. But what a fight back, and I was seeing some visuals of the Zimbabwean fans. They're chanting Zimbabwe in Nottingham. They're making it look like Harare, and Zimbabwe is fighting on. And this is a 4-day test match. So if Sikandar Raza can teach a lesson to Shoaib Bashir, because Ben Stokes has only 2 tricks. One is going to Shoaib Bashir and banking on his turn, and the other is bowling short ball. And the left-handers have been, Ben Curran has been excellent against the short ball. So stay on, hang on Zimbabwe. You're going to